This week on the Defiant. Well, you already know what the video is about, so let me try and summarize. It's up, it's down. It's the greatest, it's the worst. Community, yeah, VC, meh. It's a scam, not a scam, might be a scam. Was it a scam? Time for Sam Bankman-Fried, great hair, fair launch. What's for lunch? Fork it, don't fork it. Fetch the pitchforks to me, to you, know me. Yes, chef, top chef, must death. Take some stick, top pick, I need, you need. Unique unicorns, uniswap, top flop, chop it till you drop it like it's hot. Knives out, let's see, bro, do you even sushi? Does that about cover it? Truth be told, any hope I had of producing something vaguely resembling a sane video this week was completely kiboshed by yet more food-themed folly in the shape of Sushi Swap. The better than Uniswap exit scam that wasn't but still might be, but here comes Serum, yay, that one. If you've seen our recent videos, you'll know that food tends to feature heavily, often heading towards my face at speed. Well, we are not going to do that this... Dude, what was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, what was
No, I'm being serious, There's actually there's someone here. I'm serious, there's something out there. Just... Go, grab the camera, go, 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 go! Did you see that? Yes. Oh, what the f was it? This is the Defiant. I'm going to be honest here, I didn't want to do this story. It takes a lot of work to make these films, and I didn't want to validate an apparent exit scam by pouring a ton of creative energy into making a fun film. And you know, it's been covered heavily in all media, so what could I possibly add? A few jokes, some slapstick, a fish to the face. Goddamn right. You see, there is a story here, and it's not about Chef Nomi or FTX. This is a story about greed, entitlement, and the destructive power of narrative. And in many ways, it's a story that gets deep into the heart of the battle for the soul of decentralized finance. And it all starts with a young thermodynamics engineer who had a radical idea for a decentralized exchange protocol.
That young developer was Hayden Adams, and the project was Uniswap.
You know, it's good to bring in some of the history here because actually, you know, the very first automated market maker was Banker. Before AMMs, exchanges needed to have an order book. And with an order book, you need to match buyers and sellers of tokens. And when there's an illiquid market and not so many buyers and sellers, it's hard to get these trades to happen, and you know, spreads are very wide, and you know, it's just not very conductive for this like burgeoning token economy. So this was kind of the great breakthrough of AMMs. And then what Uniswap did to take it forward was, ironically, now that we're talking about sushi, remove the token. Like Banker had its own native token. Uniswap said, we don't need to add complexity to this. Let's just remove it. Use ETH as a like base exchange token. And it also included this very kind of simple and elegant pricing curve, which, you know, simplified token swaps, and this all came from a research piece that Vitalik did and Hayden Adams picked up to build Uniswap. And so when it came out, it really was a breakthrough for DeFi. This like clean interface with just like two things to do. The unicorn logo is just like amazing, and it just like it was a basic building block for DeFi going forward.
Without doubt, this year will be remembered as the moment DeFi took flight. But there are three key catalysts to wrap your head around. Firstly, the launch of the comp token. This was the gasoline that ignited the yield farming craze, with governance tokens suddenly thrust into the spotlight. Secondly, Andre Cronje releases the Wi-Fi token in the absolute model of a fair launch, and with it the birth of a community rules everything narrative that won't be going anywhere soon. And finally, Uniswap announces an $11 million Series A round led by Andreessen Horowitz, Union Square Ventures, and Parify Capital.
This sort of started as a side project.
These three things created the perfect conditions for SUSHI to not only be born, but to suck the very lifeblood from the project from which it was cloned. Viewed from any angle before May 2020, Uniswap is one of the most valuable and useful protocols in Ethereum, and it's unlikely DeFi would have grown to where it is today without it. But there's a problem.
Calm down. Wi-Fi.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Take the risk.
Where's the good stuff?
This is what you get.
Well, Joker, I'll show you. Yeah.
Enter Chef Nomi. Yeah, this guy, cartoon panda Chef Nomi from Hearthstone.
And that's where we're going to have to stop it. If you want to see the full video, head on over to the Defiant YouTube channel where you'll be able to, amongst other things, enjoy the delights of the infamous This Time It's Different song. See you on the next one.